Welcome to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial with a new video. Recently I started a new lecture series on data interpretation and we will trying to solve the previous year NET and SET question paper. In last class we solved June 2010 UGC NET data interpretation part. Today I will solve the December 2010 UGC NET data interpretation question. So without any time waste, let's start our class. So here is the question, that is the following table represents the production of electronic items, TVs and LCDs in a factory during the period from 2006 to 2010. Study the table carefully and answer the following questions. So here is the year-wise production has been listed. That is the TVs production is in 2006 is 6,000, 2007 9,000, 2008 it is 13,000, 2009 it is 11,000 and in 2010 the production is 8,000. And for LCDs in 2006 the production is 7,000, in 2007 the production is 9,400, in 2008 the production is 9,000, in 2009 the production is 10,000 and in 2010 the production is 12,000. Now what is the question? The question is in which year the total production of electronic items is maximum, and the options are 2006, 2007, option B 2007, option C 2008, option D 2010. So these are the options and the question is in which year the total production of electronic items is maximum. So if we add this two number, that is the TVs and LCDs production, then what is the production value? This is 13,000, right? This is 18,400, right? This is 13,000 plus 9,000, that is 22,000, right? In 2009 the production is 11,000 plus 10,000, that is 21,000. Okay, and in 2010 8,000 production plus 12,000 production, that means it is 20,000. Okay, now which one is the maximum? In which year? In 2006 it was 13,000, in 2007 it was 8,400, in 2008 it was 22,000 and in 2010 it was 20,000. So the maximum production of TVs and LCDs are in 2008 because in this year the production is 22,000. The total production is 22,000. So the right option is 2008, option C. Okay. So coming to the next question. So here is the next question. First of all we saw the table and the next question is, what is the difference between averages of production of LCDs and TVs from 2006 to 2008? And the options are 3,000, B is 2,867, C is 3,015, D is 2,400. So what is the question? What is the difference between averages of production of LCDs and TVs from 2006 to 2008? First of all, we have to calculate the total production of TVs from 2006 plus 2007 plus 2008. Then we have to calculate the averages of this production. That means we have to, first of all we have to add this 3-year production, that is 6,000 plus 9,000 plus 13,000. Then we have to calculate the average production, that means we have to divide this addition by 3. Okay, so this is the TV's averages production of TV's averages production from 2006 to 2008. Then we have to consider LCDs. Similar method, we have to first of all we have to add these production items, that is in 2006 the value is 7,000 plus 9,400 plus 9,000. Then this addition total addition value has been divided by 3 because we have to calculate the average production of LCDs. Then from LCD to TV or from TV to LCD, we have to calculate the difference of the production. Okay, so how we solve? See you in the next slide. So in this way we have to solve, that is, first we calculate the LCD's average production from 2006 to 2008. That is, in 2006 the production is 7,000 plus in 2007 the value is 9,400 plus in 2008 the value is 9,000. So first of all we have to add these 3 production items, that is 7,000 plus 9,400 plus 9,000, and then we have to calculate the average value. So 2006 to 2008, that is 3 year, so it is divided by 3, so we get this value, that is 8,466. Then we have to calculate the TV's average production from 2006 to 2008. From 2006 to 2008. In 2006 the TV's production is 6,000. In 2007 TV's production is 9,000. So 6,000 plus 9,000 plus in 2008 the TV's production is 13,000. So 6,000 plus 9,000 plus 13,000. When we add this 3 number, then it is divided by 3 because we have to calculate the average production of TVs, right? So we get this value, that is 9,333. Then we get the difference value, that is from TV to LCD. TV's value is the maximum value and LCD value is the minimum value. So we have to, when we calculate the difference, we have to difference of maximum to minimum. So TV minus LCD, that is 9,333 minus 8,466, and the difference is 867. So this answer is not in the option, so this is the wrong question. Okay, this answer is not in the question. Okay, so this is the wrong question. Coming to the next question, but in this way we have to calculate this question. Okay, option is not there in the question paper, but in this way we have to calculate this question, right? So coming to the next question. So the question is, this is the table. First of all we have to consider the table, and the question is, what is the year in which production of TVs is half the production of LCDs in the year 2010? And the options are A 2007, option B 2006, option C 2009, option D 2008. So what is the year in which the production of TVs is the half the production of LCDs in the year 2010? In the year 2010, the production of LCD is 12,000. So its half means it is 6,000, right? So the value is 6,000. So in which year the production of TV is 6,000? In 2006. So the right option is B, 2006. Okay. So coming to the next question. So this is the following table. The following table we know that represents the production of electronic items, TVs and LCDs. So what is the question? The question is, what is the ratio of production of LCDs in the year 2008 and 2010? So we have to calculate the ratio of production of LCD in the 2008 and 2010. So in 2008 the production is 9,000 and in 2010 the production is 12,000. So how can we calculate the ratio of production? First of all, the options are option A 4:3, option B 3:4, option C 1:3, option D 2:3. So how we calculate the ratio? In 2008 it was 9,000, right? And in 2010 it was 12,000, right? So this 30 and this 30 has been cut out. So how we get? We get 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So the ratio is 3:4. So the right options is 3:4, option B, right? So next question. This is the following table which represents the production of electronic items, TVs and LCDs in a factory during the period from 2006 to 2010. And the question is, what is the ratio of production of TVs in the year 2006 and 2007? Similar to the previous question. Okay, this one. So what is the ratio of production of TVs in the year 2006 and 2007? Options are option A 6:7, option B 7:6, option C 2:3, option D 3:2. So how we calculate the ratio? Now we know that how we calculate the ratio. So in 2006 the TV's production is 6,000, right? So here we write 6,000 divided by, in 2007 the TV's production is 9,000, right? So here we write 9,000. So this 30 and this 30 has been cut out. So 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. So the options are, so the ratio is 2:3. So which one is correct answer? The correct answer is option C 2:3, right? So in this way easily we can solve the data interpretation question. Okay, hope you understand this topic. Thank you. If you like my channel, do like, share and subscribe my channel.